This is question 1 of the Natural Sciences Admissions Assessment specimen paper. So in this question we have a square piece of metal, which we've got a diagram of it here, and it has a semicircular piece cut out of it. And we're told that the area of this is 100 centimetre cubed. And what we want to do is find the length of one of the sides of the square. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to label the side of the square with a variable. So we have that if we call this side of the square x, we have all of these are x, and now we know that halfway down, so the radius of the semicircle is going to be x over 2. I've just written out that we have the remaining area as 100 centimetres cubed, so that we've kind of isolated it from all of this text because we know it's going to be a key piece of information. So the next thing we can do is think about what the area of the full square is if we extended this line down here and forgot about the semicircle cut out. Then we can work out what the area of the semicircle is, and we can use an equation to find out the area of this. So the area of the full square is just x squared. So what do you think the area of the semicircle is? Well, it's pi r squared divided by 2 because we only have half the circle. So it's going to look something like this, which simplifies to pi x squared over 8. So now we have the area of the full square, the area of the semicircle, and we want to find out this area here. We know that this area is square minus semicircle, so we can write in the equations for these two things. So the area, which we know to be 100, is x squared, the area of the square, minus pi x squared over 8, the area of the semicircle. So let's simplify that down. We can factorise out the x squared on the right-hand side, and then simplify down this fraction, so it's 8 minus pi over 8. So why don't you have a go if you can solve now for x. So what we do is we multiply it by the 8, divide through by the 8 minus pi, and then we're going to square root the whole thing. But notice we can simplify this down a bit. So 800 is just 400 times 2, and the square root of 400 is 20. So we get 20 times root of 2 over 8 minus pi, and so our answer is A.